Morning, this is John from FlatCatGear. This morning I'm making breakfast. So what I'm going to make is, so again, one of the things I'm interested in is looking at things you can find at a regular grocery store. So I'm making breakfast. It's going to be a bacon, potato, cheese, egg dish. I'm going to bake it on the Epicurean stove. So one of the things I found in the store, these are kind of cool. This is Hungry Jack instant hash browns. And so you just rehydrate it, squeeze out all the water, and it looks like regular shredded potatoes. So I'm going to put bacon down first, then I'm going to put the potatoes down, then I'm going to put the cheese on, we're going to start baking it. For eggs, I'm using this Ova Easy powdered eggs, and probably about halfway through the cooking cycle I'm going to pour the eggs on top of that. So let's construct this and you can see how it's going to go together. Okay, first we're going to line the bacon on the bottom, and I've cut this so it'll fit in the pan. For you vegetarians, you can use that turkey bacon stuff, or you don't eat bacon at all. It's your choice. It's my breakfast, so I'm having bacon. It's probably not. I got my hash browns. Again, these are rehydrated with water, then you squeeze them out. Pack that in a little bit. Those potatoes will absorb some of the grease from the bacon. I'll put some salt and pepper. I should have bought regular cheddar cheese to show up better, but this is white cheddar. And the idea is that the cheddar is going to melt a bit and it'll keep the eggs from flowing down through all that potatoes. Now that is ready to bake. My neighbors are going to school. So one of the things that's unique about the FlatCat system is we don't use a spacer between our pan and our pot. We just place it right on there. So we're going to come back in about an hour and add the egg. It's been about 20 minutes. The cheese looks like it's melted. I got my eggs. I'm going to pour the eggs on top. Finish cooking. I think that's done. We're going to take that in and let it cool off. So this took about 45 minutes to cook. I let it go a little longer. And the only things that needed to be cooked were the eggs which were on the top, which cooked pretty quick, and the bacon, which is on the bottom, which I think that probably cooked pretty quick too, because it's right on the bottom of the aluminum. Out backpacking, I would just eat it in the pan. I'm going to flip it over because I want to see how it looks. Got the cooked bacon, got the hash browns, got the cheese, and the egg on the bottom.